Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 5, the Flower Bank World. Next is a sea of fragrant water, called Great Light Pervading Space, with a world system called Jewel Light Shining Everywhere. Next is a sea of fragrant water, called Banner Adorned with Beautiful Flowers, with a world system called Gold Moon Eye Necklace. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Fragrant Ocean Treasury of Pearls, with a world system called Buddha Halo. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Jewel Disk Light, with a world system called Light Easily Displaying the Realm of Buddhahood. There are as many such seas of fragrant waters as atoms in an unspeakable number of Buddha fields. The one nearest to the surrounding mountains is called Boundless Discs Adorning the Floor. It has a world system called Distinctions of Innumerable Regions, composed of the sounds of the languages of all countries. At the bottom of the system is a world called Diamond Flower Canopy. The Buddha there is called Universal Sound of Light of Inexhaustible Features. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields, is a world, parallel to the world Diamond Banner, called Banner Producing Precious Raiment. Its Buddha is called Great Power of Clouds, of Virtue. Above this, parallel to the world Endurance, is a world called Beautiful Array of Implements of Myriad Jewels. Its Buddha is Ocean of Supreme Wisdom. At the top of this world system is a world called Banner of Raiment of Sunlight. Its Buddha is Lotus Cloud of the Sun of Knowledge. Beyond the sapphire array sea of fragrant water is another sea of fragrant water called Titan Palace, with a world system called Supported by Scented Light. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called Jewel Lion Array, with a world system called Revealing All the Jewels in All Regions. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Palace Color Light Clouds, with a world system called Beautiful Array of Jewel Globes. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Producing Gigantic Lotuses, with a world system called Beautiful Ornaments Lighting Up the Universe. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Wonderful Eye of Lamp Flames, with a world system called Overseeing All Transformations in the 10 Directions. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Sphere of Inconceivable Adornments, with a world system called Universal Renown of the Light of the 10 Directions.